Hi there, everyone. This week we'll be discussing love and trying to define what love is, look at some different theories that we have around love, as well as some of the not so positive parts about love, talking about love that is not returned when you have those passionate feelings about someone and they don't reciprocate those feelings, as well as some of the darker sides of love, such as jealousy and manipulation and control that can go with that. For assignments this week, we have a discussion forum, why we love, why we cheat. I'm asking folks to please watch this TED Talk. Um, TED Talk is, I want to say it's about 20 minutes long, but please, 23 minutes long. Please watch this video, and this is what you are going to be addressing in our discussion forum. So please talk about your thoughts, ideas, and questions regarding the video and some of the issues that are brought up regarding love. Please do your initial post by Thursday and respond to 2 classmates by the end of the day next Monday. So that is our discussion forum for this week. We also, here we are. We also have another Google Slide project where I'm asking folks to look at some images or videos or things that you think about some kind of aspect of love. Here it is. Please add to the Google Slides. Create a slide with images depicting an aspect of love: romantic love, companionate love, jealousy, heartbreak, as examples. Include a statement on your slide regarding why you chose the images or media that you did, and it can be a brief statement there. As always, please make sure you put your name. I have to edit this. As always, please make sure you put your name on your slides and be careful that you are only editing your work. I've added 2 videos here. If folks have not seen these, or at least the initial video, Love Has No Labels, it is just an awesome, very short video. It's about 3 minutes long. And it makes a very powerful statement, in my opinion. As I was looking up this video to add it to the Google Slides, I had seen that there was a follow-up that was done on the 1-year anniversary. So I included that as well, where they go back and interview some of the folks who were portrayed in the initial video. Again, they're very short videos and very, very much worth taking a minute to watch if you've never seen them before. So please add a slide to our slideshow and add images, short videos, it could be a music clip, whatever you want, talking about some aspect of love. It does not have to be romantic love, passionate love. As I said, it can be talking about the jealousy that can come from love, the pain of unrequited love, any aspect of love that you want, but look for some kind of media, images, video, music, whatever it may be. Add that to the Google Slides and talk to us a little bit about why you chose the image that you did. We also have the Chapter 5 test that is due Monday the 5th at 11:59 p.m. and make sure you read Chapter 6 and complete the Chapter 6 quiz before the end of the day on Sunday, March 4th. I am still working on our fake news assignments. What I decided to do is make separate quizzes for each group so that all of you would not have an overwhelming amount of articles to kind of wade through, and separating everything by groups is taking me more time than I anticipated. So it will be easier for you folks, a little bit more work for me in the short term in terms of trying to get that together. But that is our assignments for this week. As always, please email me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you and good luck this week.